This phenomenon that I'm going to talk about today is very strange. Strangeness no less than any strangeness you have seen or heard about space before. It's an event so powerful that it can outshine entire galaxies, yet it begins with something as simple as a star dying. I'm talking about supernova. Supernova is the final explosive death of a massive star. Imagine a star many times larger than our sun, reaching the end of its fuel supply. Instead of fading away quietly, collapses under its own gravity and then blasts apart in one of the most violent explosions the universe has ever known. To give you an idea of its strength, a single supernova can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will release in its entire 10 billion years lifetime. For a brief time, it can shine brighter than a galaxy containing billions of stars. Here is the strangest part. Without supernovas, we wouldn't even exist. The heavy elements that make up our bodies, iron in our blood, calcium in our bones, oxygen we breathe, all of these were forged inside stars and scattered into space by supernova explosions. In other words, every one of us is made from the ashes of the stars. Despite all we know, supernovas are still mysterious. Scientists are still studying exactly how these explosions unfold, what role they play in shaping galaxies. Some even believe that a nearby supernova could one day affect life here on Earth. Supernova occurs in two cases. First, it occurs in a binary star system. The dead core of a star steals material from its companion star. Once it gathers too much mass, it explodes in a thermonuclear blast. For example, Ike's supernova, observed in 1572. Second, happens when a massive star, at least 8 to 10 times sun's mass, runs out of a nuclear fuel. The star's core collapses under gravity, then rebounds, blasting outer layers into space, leaves behind either a neutron star or a black hole. For example, supernova 1054, observed by Chinese astronomers, created the Crab Nebula. Supernova 1604, Kepler's supernova, the last visible supernova in the Milky Way. Supernova 1987, observed in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a nearby galaxy. Astronomers expect Betelgeuse, the red supergiant in Orion, to explode as a supernova sometime in the next 100,000 years. It could even happen in our lifetime. So what do you think? Should be in awe of supernovas as the creator of life, or fear them as ultimate cosmic destroyers?